We've looked at reliability assessments as a solution to the asset sweating concept within the water industry today. There's less focus on big capital expenditure and more focus on using their existing assets as utilities more effectively and prolonging the life of those assets. There's lots of little things that can be done, sometimes as simple as parameter settings and optimization of the setup of the inverter according to the system. For example, due to changes in population locally, there's been some pump stations which have required an upgrade of the pump, or the pump system's changed and we've actually had to reuse variable speed drives from a previous system and reuse them on a new system rather than finding their way to landfill, for example. In this particular case, the drives were 9 or 10 years old and the recommendation was for us to simply do a clean and a fan replacement of those variable speed drives. So the cost versus a brand new variable speed drive was probably in the region of 10 to 15%. Other things, for example, doing pump cleaning with wastewater applications can add several percent in terms of the efficiency of that equipment and also add to the maintenance-free operation. The pump systems change as there's changes in the local network, so it might be a good idea to look at recommissioning them or optimising them just from a simple parameter perspective. Other things we've looked at recently are gathering data from the pump system to change the control philosophy. Within the drives themselves, there is some programmable logic where we can add additional functionality into the device to help with those applications that require that. We can reduce the cost of having external control systems or logic controllers, which add complexity to the system. There's a few little tips we can look at in terms of giving more value to the customers. I think there's a lot of opportunity in the utility sector to sweat assets more effectively through engagement with the supply chain. Many customers only use a small proportion of the functionality of the variable speed drive itself. It's ABB's responsibility to ensure that there's education on the subject of variable speed drives and the features that they possess.